See? Hitting. I'm 5'9" for record. This will be interesting. Not very helpful, are you? Yeah, but you're cute. It's gonna be hot when I live in my car, so we'll get used to it. Oh gosh, I really do need to vacuum. That looks disgusting. So today I'm gonna attempt to remove the back seats on my 2016 Toyota Corolla. So we're gonna see how that goes. It looks pretty simple. We'll find out. We'll do this together. And bear with me, please.
Hi, let's go. Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, Henny, it don't matter. Till I trap, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete. Oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky.
Guys, I did. I took out the back seat all by myself. Pretty proud. Yeah, it's dirty though. It's disgusting. This is what happens when you basically live out of your car for 5 years. It's absolutely disgusting. But I actually fit lying down in my car, almost. There's a little bit of overhang in the head because I'm tall. Also, I'm going to vacuum, so leave me alone. But check out the feet. Okay, check it out, check it out, check it out. Look. My feet. I'm so tiny. I didn't think I was gonna have this much room, so pretty exciting. Doing my research, I kept on getting caught up in getting the best of everything, the fanciest things on the market. What was going to be the best portable battery? What's the best sleeping bag I could get? What's the best mattress I could get? And I just found myself looking at the dollar signs and going, I can't afford this. And then I realized I'm looking around my house, I have everything I already need. Why was I getting caught up in what I don't have when I have everything that I need? You know, everybody wants to keep up with the Joneses, you know, and have the best of everything and to have the nicest equipment and stuff, to have the easiest time. But that's not part of my journey. So we're going to use what we have. And sorry if it's cringy, but it is what I have. So we're not spending all that money. No. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. You like your armpit scratched? Such a good girl, yeah. I did it. Check this out. Can't even tell. Just kidding, you totally can, but that's fine. You helping out, bud? Maybe this too tight. I definitely did this too tight. It'll fit. Come on. Maybe I should have got a sewing machine. Also, talking to a camera by myself in an empty room is probably one of the weirdest feelings and the strangest thing I've ever done. So bear with me as I make weird faces and don't project like I should. So yeah, should be fun.